There you go. How much you spend on control?
I don't spend nothing on control.
Alright. There you go. You got that. Look, Dad don't want to come up here. He ain't trill enough.
What's this shit generic? Like, it ain't shit.
He cool, but fuck that.
See, like that, that's generic.
That ain't generic, that's dope. All them cool.
That ain't generic. It's just a car.
What else is it supposed to have? Them some 26s, he jumping.
26 is hard shit.
Right, 6s. Triple. Nah, I'm just showing
He
you.
got something like this over there, the white and red. He got some 26s like that.
Ah, yeah. I mean, it's just a normal day. Like, I was like, what's the name of the event? I don't know. They just told me come through. Just like they told me come through. Like, ain't nobody named this shit. We just like,
eventually,
all right, we're going to all meet up at what's the name. Nah, we do this all the time, bro.
This would be dad shit. You know, 'cause how that nigga used to
Oh,
always
man,
go
would
to
have
the
been. Yeah, that'd be good.
That's
That's your boy.
I'm thinking he hard as shit.
He is.